Okay, so in this video, we're talking about how to add your education background in FlowCV, and yeah, this part is actually really easy. First, go ahead and pick the resume file you want to work on. So once you're inside the editor, just click the Add Content button right over here. For this video, I'll be using a fake resume. Just so it's easier to show the steps clearly. Now from the list of options, I want to add my educational background, so I'll go ahead and click Education. From here you can copy and paste the details you need, like the name of your course, or the university or college you studied in, and your starting and ending dates. You can even add extra details if you want, like honors or relevant coursework. Once you're satisfied, just click Done, and your education section is added instantly. That's basically how to add your education background in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.